Panther Magazine, the Panther Platform lookbook and the official publication for the Panther Platform.
What's up, guys? It's Derek McCutchell, the founder and CEO of Panther Magazine. Thanks for checking out the Panther Magazine YouTube channel. So this video is kind of short. The Mercury's work is driving fine. We just ran codes on it a couple weeks ago in Philadelphia. It looks like my check engine light is only a secondary cat code, so I might just do a secondary cat delete on it, and which will probably give the car some noise. I do have thrush mufflers sitting at Andrew's house, the guy who helps me work on the car. So the secondary cat delete and the thrust mufflers, the car should sound good. So we'll probably do that really soon. I did just order some parts for the car. My window's been down. My rear passenger window has been down since Philly, back in the summer in June. I've been so busy. The junkyard had no motors and needs a motor, so I ordered the parts. And I think Andrew's on vacation this week, but we're gonna get it fixed within the next couple of weeks. So it's getting cold, so I need that window up. So as you guys can see, there's a ton of parts back here. The door panel, this panel that goes under the hood. For some reason, it's been giving me a problem putting that back on there. And my Crown Vic that I drove last year all around the country. Andrew had the steering wheel laying around, so I got this in here. A nice souvenir from the Crown Vic I owned in '98 LX. Before this 2003 Grand Marquis I have. And this is what the door's been looking like since June. The window doesn't go up nor go down. We tried everything, and then I got back to Massachusetts, and Andrew told me it needs a motor. So he went to the junkyard and checked, and there's not any motors in there. So I had to order one, which is probably the best bet, to order a brand new one. So I do have the new motor here, in case you guys never seen one. When Andrew gets back from vacation, we're gonna go ahead and install that and get this window back up, because I've been driving around and parking the car with the window down. Luckily, I live in a nice area and I work in a nice town, so I don't have to worry about people breaking into the car and trying to steal stuff. So that's pretty much the video. The next video pertaining to this car will be the install with Andrew, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next video.